Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn how to balance the redox reaction by ion electron method. Already I have learned that the first step is assigning the oxidation number to all the element involved in the reaction. After that you have to find out which one undergo oxidation and reduction. How to find the oxidation and reduction process. The increase in oxidation number means oxidation process and decrease in oxidation number means reduction process. By this way you can able to find out the element undergoing the oxidation and the element undergoing the reduction process. Now the first step you have to assign the oxidation number to all the element in the given equation. So now the elemental form, the oxidation state is 0. Always you have to know that the elemental form of an atom is 0 as well as combined form. Combined state is 0. And next here for nitrogen oxygen minus 6 you have to minus subtract minus 1. So this become plus 5. So plus 5 you have to add 1 means what? Plus 6. And next already given in the ionic state. Whenever the ionic state given, the charge of the ion become the oxidation number. Now the zinc 2 plus ion, the oxidation state for zinc 2 plus ion is plus 2 oxidation number. And next this one minus 2 and plus 2. Now you see that there is a change. The change in oxidation from 0 to plus 2 and plus 5 to plus 2. So now you have to find out increase in oxidation 0 to plus 2. So here what type of reaction? Oxidation. And plus 2 to plus 5 to plus 2. The nitrogen you see here plus 5 to plus 2. So decrease in oxidation number. So reduction is going to take place in nitrogen. So now you find out the zinc undergo the oxidation process and the nitrogen undergo the reduction process. Now you write the off cell reaction. Step 1. In step 1, oxidation of reaction. Oxidation of reaction, zinc. Zinc becomes zinc 2 plus by losing 2 electron. And next reduction of reaction. Reduction of reaction. So nitrogen NO3 minus by gaining. So here how many electron? So plus 5 to plus 2. So what is the difference? 3 electron. By gaining 3 electron to become NO minus. NO minus. Here the oxidation state for nitrogen plus 2, here plus 5 and here plus 2. By this way you can, now you find out the oxidation and reduction. Now next step you want to find the number of electron involved in that reaction. Next step. Step 2. Step 3. Step 3, to balance the electron. So in the first reaction, zinc gives zinc 2 plus by losing 2 electron, and NO3 minus plus gaining 3 electron to become NO minus. So here in this equation how many electron involved? 2 electron, and in this reaction 3 electron. So you want to multiply, then you want to balance the equation. Before that you have to balance the remaining atom, oxygen and any hydrogen. So now to step 4, to balance oxygen. Because zinc already 1 and 1, that it is balanced only you want to see oxygen. Here 3 oxygen atom and here only 1. So we want to balance. How to balance the oxygen? By the addition of water molecule. To balance hydrogen, addition of proton. Now you write the first equation as it is. Zinc gives zinc 2 plus 2 electron. And next, now you want to balance this side 3 and here that only 1. So NO3 minus plus 3 electron gives NO minus. Now you want to add 2 more. So already 1 oxygen is there. So you want to add 2 water molecule. So now what is balance? 2 oxygen plus 1 3. 3 oxygen is balance. Now you want to balance the hydrogen. How many hydrogen here? 4 hydrogen. So you have to balance this side with 4 hydrogen. And this equation is going to be assigned as 1 and this one is assigned as 2. Now you want to balance the electron on both the sides. So how to balance? You have to find already 2 electron involved in oxidation and 3 electron involved in reduction. So by cross multiplying you can balance the equation. Now step 5. So equation 1 can be multiplied by 3. So 3 zinc gives 3 zinc 2 plus 6 electron. And next equation, you see this second equation, how many electron? 3 electron. So and the first equation 2 electron and the second equation 3 electron. So you have to cross multiply this, and you can first one you have multiply by 3 and next you have to multiply by 2. And the equation 2 is multiplied by 2. Now you write 2NO3 minus plus 6 electron plus already how many hydrogen is there? 4 hydrogen. 4 into 2 8. 8H plus gives 2NO plus. So how many? Now you see that how many water molecule? Already 2. So 2 into 2 4. 4H2O. Now you cancel how many electron in the gain of electron, loss of electron. What is balance? The number of electron is balanced in the equation. Now you write the rest of the equation. Now what is this? 3 zinc plus 2 NO3 minus plus H plus ion gives 3 Zn 2 plus ion plus 2 NO plus 4H2O. So this is the balanced equation. Now you want to check the number of element present in 3 zinc and 3 zinc is balanced, and nitrogen 2, and this side nitrogen 2 balanced. And next oxygen 2 into 3 6, here 4 plus 2 6 oxygen is balanced, and then 8 hydrogen is balanced. Now you can write zinc equal to 3 and this side zinc equal to 3. And next nitrogen, how many nitrogen? 2, and this side nitrogen as 2, and oxygen 3 into 2 6, here 2 plus 4 6 oxygen, and then next hydrogen 8 hydrogen, and then 4 into 2 8 hydrogen. So now you have balanced all the elements in the given redox reaction. By this way you can balance the reaction by ion electron method. Thank you for watching this video, children. You want to receive the latest update, please press the subscribe button. Thank you.